never left. I'm back, y'all. Oh my god, it's been so long. I don't even know how to record YouTube anymore. And I got a couple new things for y'all, okay? You see, I got... Then I got... Okay, I had to be low for a minute. My life is doing so much better now that I've been investing into myself and saying to myself, growing and learning about myself. And I encourage every one of y'all to do the same thing. But y'all know, before we get into the video, follow me on all my new social media. Give me a thumbs up. And we're gonna be chatting and doing this haul. Because, as you can see, I've got kind of a big box. I got a couple things. This might be one of my biggest packages. And yeah, let's get into the video. Since it's such a big haul, I probably won't be trying these on, but I'll be showing you all and looking. I guess somebody wanted to introduce themselves. I haven't introduced them, but they introducing themselves, so hey, calm down. Anyways, child. Yeah, I probably won't be trying these on. I really don't like trying clothes on, honestly. And then look at it. This is a whole box full. I'm gonna just show y'all what I got and see what I got, because honestly, I forget. But yes, I went away from social media for a little bit to get myself together, invest in myself, and not worry about what everybody else was doing. We got the Moose shirt. This little cute crop top stretches right around here. And it's a spaghetti strap. Bro, you gotta chill. I'm moving away from you. That's the first item. I hope y'all missed me because I missed y'all. I missed making videos. And I got this. Okay, I got this top with a chain on it. One sleeve. Make sure to follow me on Instagram to stay tuned with the fits that I'll post with these. And next one is a pair of jeans. I need jeans. I never buy jeans. These are like big baggy type. They're not skinny jeans. They're like wide at the bottom, but they have holes in them. Next one, this is the fourth item. This is a spray paint crop top. This is cute. Nice and bold, nice and bright. You can see the actual letters and the design of the graffiti. They got, all of them got all this paper in there. Then I got a sheer top. Look, another one. Got a sheer crop top. It's so weird doing a haul without trying them on, but this is a lot of stuff to be trying on, let me tell y'all. I've got time. I don't even try stuff on at the mall. I just buy it and go home. If I don't like it, then I take it back. I just got some sweats. What size did I get? A large, because I wanted them a little bit baggy, but this might be kind of big, actually. This is cool for real. It's the one. For them to be a large, I thought I wouldn't be able to fit them. Look at me trying on one thing through the whole haul. A diamond necklace. What am I on? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 things. Alright, this is 8. This is a crop top, tube top. It goes off the shoulder. I have something in tune with these shirts, so stay tuned and follow me on social media for all my latest updates. You're gonna want to be in tune for this. I can't tell y'all yet, but something is coming. This is 9. This is a sweatshirt, Los Angeles. Pretty comfy, pretty big. I got it in a bigger size. I don't know, when I get bigger stuff, I just like it to fit baggy. Like, I don't like all my stuff tight all the time. Number 10. Oh, this one don't get a cute bag. This one gets like Why they do my purse like that? Hey, my purse deserves that too. That Shein bag. Where's the Shein bag for my purse? Anyway, so I got this cute little shoulder purse. Pink, as you know, my favorite color. Bueno. I got this one big too. A lot of my stuff I want it kind of big, but about to be comfy season. It's October. We about to be in spooky season. You know I had to get me the flannel though. About to put it on right now. It's all soft. That for? Where was that from? Another one of my purchases without the Shein bag. Where's the Shein bag? Shein. This one don't even got the sticky fold over. This one, you just gotta rip that John open. Then it don't got a bag no more because you done ripped it open. Okay, this is fun. Okay. Got me a little shoulder bag. Or maybe it's not a shoulder bag. Little, it has the fur on it, the plaid, with the cream and gold. Okay, this is cute. Yes.
Yes.
Got an earring set. It didn't come on like earring posts, I guess. They just came in like a bag. But there's like 3 different sizes. There's a small, 2 medium, and 2 large. I just cut my hair, so I figured I need to get some cute hoops. Okay, 12. This is 13. Okay. I think this is 13. 12? I don't know. 13. And this is an orange crop top. You can unzip it from the top, unzip it from the bottom, and have it like that. Cute, simple. And the next, oh, it's 14. Tired already. Hey, why they get all this stuff? Got some cute jeans. Boom. Sight. They still jeans, but they just a different color. These are kind of big though. The baggy's cool for real. But I was just scared to get a size too small and it wouldn't be able to fit me. So at this point, this is over. I'm done showing y'all stuff. Oh, this is long sleeve. I thought it was short sleeve, but well, guess the winter's coming. I got a long sleeve apparently. This is long sleeve. It's kind of big. I wanted it bigger. It's like a large. I forget what number we're at. 14, 15. About to be at 15. 15 is the set to go with this. To go with the last thing I just showed you, but these are pants. They're supposed to be like lightning, but this looks like squiggles. I know y'all cheap to begin with, but do that look like lightning strikes to y'all? Is this lightning or is it squiggles? Am I tripping? We just gonna go to the next one. Now I forget what number I'm at because I got a sidetrack. Yeah, they always gotta come with something faulty in one of my orders. Anyways, next one. This one is a set. The bottoms. Okay, these might fit actually. Plaid, brown, simple, cute. And then it has a suit top. Has some shoulder pads in it. Basic, simple, cute. It was on sale, so I had to get it. Y'all, I hope y'all are keeping track. Please keep track. I don't even feel like counting that now. There's just one more in there. Hopefully there's one more. But this is just a simple pair of flare pants, zebra print.
Get the fuck back to your fucking seat.
Hopefully the last item. Not the last item, but close. But this is a fur jacket. That's something I had to get for the winter. Okay, this is cute, comfy. You about to be comfy and cozy all 2020 because we haven't been the whole 2020, but we gotta be comfy and cozy with the clothes. So the substitutes. Okay, comfy, cozy. The last item. Yes, last item. If y'all don't know.
And
Okay, actually, two things just happened. I just fell out my chair, and this is not the last item, I guess. There's two more items, but the one is for spooky season. Okay, and the last one is just a necklace. Has a couple chains in there. Has my birth date in there. I wish this was a haul. But you know how many things I have to try on for y'all? You know, maybe if y'all comment down below, if I do another big haul like this, I will try everything on. I promise y'all. So, I will keep my promise. If y'all comment, tell me that y'all want to do this next time. This was just a lot to be trying on. I just want to show everyone what I got so y'all can hop on Shein. I know it's not everyone's favorite, but I'm a broke. So I had to go in there and get me some deals, get me some sales. It's been a while. I'm back now. I'm back and I'm better. I got a new sewing machine. I got some new things to show y'all. So stay tuned. Don't forget to follow me on social media. Like and subscribe. Peace. He just always want to be a part of something. That's why I can't. That's why I don't have, man. Peace.